originating from ancient story or legend. Number two, which sentence best describe a beast, a large, strong, and scary animal or creature. Number two, and number three, Titanoboa is the best described as a giant snake that lived long ago. Number four, what kind of animal was Megalodon? B, a giant shark from long ago. Which part is correctly matched? C, Titanoboa, a giant ancient snake. One, Tyrannosaurus was bigger than Stegosaurus. Why is it compared from used in the sentence? So in the sentence, just use the comparative sentence because only compare two dinosaurs. And the form is used adjective plus er. Two, the sentence is explain the difference in the meaning between into the sentences. The sentence A, the Tyrannosaurus was the biggest dinosaur, is used as superlative sentence because compare more than two dinosaurs. B, the Tyrannosaurus use the comparative sentence because it compare two dinosaurs only. Number three, why is the word more dangerous correct in the sentence? Carnivore were more dangerous than herbivore because danger dangerous is the long adjective. So when we use the comparative sentence, we just put more dangerous, more danger. After that, number four, look at the statement. Herbivore were the safest dinosaur. Safe is the short adjective. So we make the superlative sentence by using adjective plus est. Number five, create two sentences about dinosaur using comparative and superlative. For comparative, Oviraptor is the smallest dinosaur in the picture, and then superlative, Tyrannosaurus is bigger than Stegosaurus.
Okay. Allegation. Wait, yeah. All right.
One, patch are small pieces used for covering. Number two, marine police are officers enforcing laws at the sea. Three, we should put rubbish into a plastic bag before throwing it away. Number four, oil spills can pollute the water and harm marine life. Number five, wastewater should be poured into the sink or toilet, not into rivers. Number one, why is cleaning water clean important? Because keep water clean important because because human and animal can survive with the clean water and become healthy. Number two, why is preventing water pollution is important? Water pollution and preventing water pollution important because dirty water can harm the living thing and animals and also can damage the ecosystem. Number three, why is proper waste disposal important? Proper waste disposal important because rubbish can harm the living thing around and can pollute the water. Number four, why is human responsibility important in protecting water source? Human responsibility important because to prevent the water pollution in the sea or the river. Number five, why is taking early action important to stop water pollution? Because when we take early action, so it can prevent the serious damage in the water pollution.
Okay, we go to summary point. Okay, please explain this.
Okay, this is for the summary point in this. We talk about comparative and superlative. So comparative is used to compare two people or two things. And usually comparative adjective, and then we add the er, and then we add then, after that we add the object. And the one more form is subject, is, after that we put more, and then adjective, and then object. For the superlative is used to compare two or more things. And the form of the superlative we use two forms also. The first form is subject plus is plus the, and then after that plus adjective plus est and plus object. After that, for the second form is we use subject a to be, and then the, and then most, and then adjective, and then object.
How do we know a sentence use est or most means? How can we know it?
Most or est. If we use the simple adjective like big, like big or small, they can use the est. But if we use the long adjective like handsome, beautiful, we need to put most.
Simple like how?
Simple like small, big, tall, short, and what else? Long, longest, high, highest, that means the simple, short and simple. That means only 4 or 5 words inside. Yeah, five
Words.
alphabet, 5 alphabet words. High, only 4 alphabet.
We-
Simple words. Simple adjective. Yeah, if
We
like
use
handsome,
est.
not long adjective. So we need to use most. And then expensive also. Expensive, use long adjective. So we use most. Last time I explained to my student like that. If you want to use the est, you pay attention of the adjective only. If the adjective is only high, long, and only 4 alphabet, so you can use est. Like if the adjective is long, like handsome, expensive, beautiful, you can use most.
Okay, next. Only English review. Okay, so can you mention maybe the CP questions that you will give to students for English?
For English,
One or two? Yeah.
can you make the comparative between the sentence? What is the difference between these two sentences? For example, the Tyrannosaurus is the biggest dinosaur, and the Stegosaurus, the Oviraptor is smaller than Stegosaurus. So they need to give the comparative sentence between the two sentences. And then can you create one example of comparative sentence and one superlative sentence?
Can we go to vocabulary? Marine police.
Marine police is officer enforcing law at sea. Marine police is a law of enforcement for enforcement officer that do patrol around the sea and keep this dead area safely.
Patches.
Patches are small pieces for farming. Patches are small pieces that usually made from plastic or fabric that used to cover the hole, repair clothes, or decorate something.
Candi.
Huh?
Candi.
What is it?
Candi.
Oh, candi pas bangunan kuno yang digunakan untuk tempat ibadah. Candi adalah bangunan yang didirikan pada zaman dahulu yang digunakan beberapa orang untuk melakukan ibadah dan suatu kegiatan lainnya.
Prasasti.
yang ditulis di atas batu atau logam. Prasasti adalah peninggalan tulisan yang diukir di atas batu, logam atau benda lainnya yang berisikan tentang hal-hal penting atau perintah dari manajemen.
Dinasti.
Dinasti adalah keturunan raja yang memerintah secara turun-temurun. Dinasti adalah garis keturunan raja yang digunakan yang biasa memerintah secara suatu wilayah secara turun-temurun atau berurut-urut.
Bakiak.
Baki adalah permainan tradisional yang menggunakan sendal yang terbuat dari kayu yang dimainkan sama-sama dengan tim.
Okay, I think that's all for the lesson for today, Miss. Thank you, Miss. Miss, your CP question is not same. It's not same. Okay lah ya. Thank you, Miss. Ya, Miss. Oh, Miss, please call Miss Dia ya, Miss. Ya, Miss. Hi, Miss. Not Miss Dia? Oh. Please send me, Miss, homework.
Yes.
Primary one doesn't have summary point, right? So cold. You know the temperature, 27. Oh yeah. I made 29 then. Eh, can be until 31, Miss? Can be until 31? 28, right? Why ya? I think this is not working. Okay, start ya. Miss. So after Miss Sonia.
Yes.
Morning sickness. This one, Miss. There is no revision. Revision, review. What is? How do only? English also. Morning, Miss. Today we are going through the evaluation from Bahasa Indonesia. Okay, please.
Nomor 1 Bahasa Indonesia, Dita memelihara seekor Cinta sangat lucu. Nomor 2, Niko merasa lapar. Niko makan dengan lahap. Nomor 3, lihat kebun itu indah sekali, bunga bunga sedang bermekaran. Nomor 4, kata-kata baik yang membantu seorang untuk melakukan hal yang benar dan aman disebut dengan nasihat. Nomor 5, suka atau senang melakukan sesuatu disebut dengan gemar.
Okay, next.
Bagian B ada teks. tentang ayah dan ibu.
Oke.
Questionnya di bawah, Miss.
Oh.
Ya.
Sorry, jauh kali.
Ya, di sini mereka menjawab dengan jawaban panjang. Nomor 1, siapa yang suka lari pagi? Yang suka lari pagi adalah ayah. Nomor 2, di mana ayah lari pagi? Ayah lari pagi di alun-alun. Nomor 3, apa yang sedang dibuat ibu? Yang sedang dibuat ibu adalah kue kering. Nomor 4, siapa yang membantu ibu? Yang membantu ibu adalah. Nomor 5, apa manfaat lari pagi baik untuk kita? Manfaat lari pagi baik untuk kita adalah sehat.
Next.
PPKN nomor 1, apa yang dimainkan dengan tiup? Alat musik yang dimainkan dengan tiup adalah saluang. Nomor 3, bagaimana sikap saat menyanyikan Indonesia Raya? Sikap saat menyanyikan Indonesia Raya adalah sikap sempurna. Nomor 4, kapan W.R. Supratman lahir? W.R. Supratman lahir pada 17 Maret 1903. Nomor 5, kapan W.R. Supratman wafat? W.R. Supratman wafat pada 17 Agustus 1938.
Okay. English.
Number 1, mention 7 days of the week in order. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Number 2, complete the conversation below with the correct answer. Mike, do you play the soccer on the weekend? Karen, no, I don't. Mike, do you play the phone on the weekend? Karen, yes, I do. Number 3, mention 3 activities that we can do on the beach. The answer can be vary. We can go surfing, we can go swimming, and we can go running. Number 4, based from the story of P62, the super friends helped by a rabbit. Number 5, riding waves on the surfboard is called go surfing.
Okay. What is it?
It's reading the picture.
Okay.
Yes.
And then?
Where can we ride a horse? I need to see the picture. Or just the choices, yes.
Okay.
Where can we ride a horse? We can ride a horse in picture F, that's picture F. Number 2, where can we play the soccer? We can play the soccer in picture B. Number 3, where can we go fishing? We can go fishing in picture A. Where can we play tennis? We can play tennis in picture E. And where can we go running? We can go running in picture D.
IPA.